Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on multiplying, and we're looking at multiplying a decimal by a whole number, which is 26. So 0.7 times 26. We need to write the answer in the box here, and this will give us 1 mark in the exam. So our key facts, we need to do the multiplying without the decimal, so we're going to ignore the decimal to start with. So basically we've multiplied the number by 10 to ignore the decimal. And then if we divide the final answer we get by 10 to take it back to be the 0.7, that will give you the answer. Remember, when you multiply or divide by 10, you have to think of your place values, your hundreds, tens, zeros, or your ones and your tenths. To move them, so it moves bigger, so it goes to the left if you're multiplying, and it gets smaller or goes to the right if you're dividing. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work, hopefully you've managed to get an answer. Well done. So looking at this question here, we're going to ignore this 0 point, and we're just going to look at the 7. So basically we're multiplying this number by 10 and doing 7 times 26. Now when we do 7 times 26, we start on the right hand side. Now 7 times 6 is 42, so we've got the 4 and then the 2. 2 times 7 is 14, plus the 4 gives me 18, so I've got 182. We could have done it using the grid method, so we split the 26 up into 20 and 6, multiplying them by 7. 7 times 20, so we do 2 times 7 is 14, add a 0 because we're multiplying by a 10, to give you 140, and 6 times 7 is 42. Add those two answers together. 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 1 on the beginning is 182 as well. But we multiplied this 0.7 by 10 to make it 7, so we now need to divide by 10 in order to make it 0.7. So we're going to do 182 divided by 10, and that will give me the final answer we need to write in the box here. So remember your place values. The 182 gets written in the right columns, and we're now divided by 10. So each digit is going to get smaller because we're divided by 10, and it's going to move 1 place because we're dividing by 1 0. So there's 1 0 after the 1, so it moves 1 place to the right. So the 1 becomes in the tens column, the 8 goes to the ones column, the 2 goes to the tenths column, and there's a decimal point in here that needs to be added in the middle. And that gives me the answer of 18.2 for 1 mark. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done, fantastic work. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer as 18.2 for 1M, which is 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.